Hey guys, this is Jacques from MakuluLinux, and we are roughly about 3 days away from releasing Flash. And yeah, I don't really want to get into the nitty-gritty of what's under Flash. I'll make a video on that, and you'll find out soon enough. However, I would like to show off the new theme selection we have, as we spent a lot of time making these, and it's not something you see on XFCE every day that is so polished and so nice and such a huge variety of. So yeah, let's go dive in quickly into these themes and just have a look what the users will have available. Okay, cool. So the default theme that you get is this called Makulu, MakuluLinux. It's sort of like a beige theme. It's very nice. I like it. It matches the icon sets. If you go look here at the icons, it matches the Makulu icon set. As you can see, the theme complements the icon set, which is pretty cool. Now the icon sets themselves come in a variety of colors. You know, blue, cayenne, green, gray, orange, purple, red. They come in quite a few colors. Okay, so the default theme obviously is this Makulu theme. That's the one that's enabled by default. But we have a whole variety of themes here, all colors. Pretty much most of the rainbows, you know, in the color scheme, which is really nice. And not only are they nice, they are made by us. So we've been working on these themes for quite a while now. So we've been working around the clock to make these themes and to make them so pretty. And just look at them. Just look at this huge variety of colors here. It's absolutely stunning. Anyway, so let's quickly look through some of these. Okay, we have themes that have white, you know, dark colors on white text, and we've got light colors on dark text. So you'll see that variation as well. But the first one here, almost black, which is a sort of a white theme with a black highlight. And if you open up browser, for example, you'll see there that it highlights and it shows white text when it highlights. So that nicely highlights. At all times can you actually see what is underneath the highlight, which is really awesome. If you open up properties or something, you see the progress bar also shows up in black or almost black. It's like a very, very, very dark gray. And the inactive color you'll see is obviously a lighter shade of the theme. The text boxes also nicely highlight the with the light text, as does the drop-down menus, buttons, everything. It's all pretty cool. If you open up your menu, you'll see here that it actually, let's move that to the side. The menu actually nicely shows the highlighted color with white border. These also do, although they disappear quite quickly. They get replaced by that, you know, the default theme color. Your theme highlights on the main menu as well. Also highlights the dark on the white text. If you open up something like Synaptic Package Manager, you'll also see here the icons highlight nicely, the text, the buttons. Over here you'll see as well, once again, buttons, drop down menus, everything just works. Even if you type something and then highlight the typed text, it also highlights nicely and correctly. So that's pretty cool. Links as well. Links will also show up as the color of the theme, and of course the categories will always show silver and black. That's shared with all the themes. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty much how all of these themes look. Of course, basil, which is now a really sort of like a greenish basil color. As you can see, the progress bar, the highlights again, the highlights over there. If I go properties, you'll see there it highlights a different color for inactive, drop down menu. The main menu as well, the colors, as you can see there, it's the basil color with the white border. Here it's the basil on the text. So this is all very nice. Also, something else I want to mention is that when you select like an icon, The icon isn't just selected. It actually sort of, do you see that shades it, almost like highlights a basil color. So it will always blend that color with basil. If I do it to that one as well, it's like highlighting basil on the existing color that's there, which is pretty cool. You see there, even the text, that little white text box becomes basil with a white text, the same as there. If I change to another theme like the Makulu Bloody, which is a very red, like a blood red theme, as you can see there. Now it highlights everything red. The icon looks red, the little text box looks red. Once again, red over here with the white highlights, the white border. The same with Synaptic Package Manager. The buttons. My internet is crap. So yeah, the themes now, as you can see, there's the progress bar, there's the highlighted text. So yeah, so you've got all of these inactive, as you can see, is different to the actual selected. There's a bright blue theme, a really nice bright blue. Let's just make this a little smaller over here so I can actually show you both at the same time. Okay, so we've got a bright blue theme, we've got a brown bear theme, we've got a deep blue theme. Wow, it's very deep blue. We've got a dirty purple theme, so that's pretty cool. We've got a nice green emerald theme. We've got a grey theme, sort of grey highlights. We've got a green grass theme. We got a lemonade theme. I don't know if you've ever had lemonade before, the color of lemonade. They've got the default milky theme. You've got the orange theme. It's a very, very orange theme. You've got a pink bloom theme. It's very pink. Anybody who likes pink will love this theme. It's very, very pink. We've got a plateau purple theme. It's like the purple variant of the pink, quite bright purple. You've got a rose red theme, kind of like a red rosy theme. It's quite cool. You've got a slimy lime theme. It's like a lime color. It's pretty cool. You've got a yellow sunshine, very yellow. It's pretty cool. And of course you've got a tangy teal color. As you can see there, teal. It's pretty awesome. And you've got a violet theme. So color of violet. It's pretty cool. Very, very, very awesome. Now, as I said, by default the Milky Makulu is there, but you have a nice big variety of themes. These themes you won't find anywhere. You cannot download them anywhere. Well, you can download them from us, but you can't download them anywhere else. You just simply will not find them. They are not available anywhere. And yeah, that's pretty awesome. So we're now creating our own themes too, and we'll expand on these. I'll probably make some more colors. In fact, I'm considering making some dark themes with dark backgrounds, and you know, just sort of make it dark. I'm not a big fan of dark themes, but I understand there are people that are, so it might be something I might look into. For now, this is a nice selection. I might add a couple extra here, and of course, there's always room for improvement. So I'll probably be patching through some updates in the coming weeks with fixes and just some more things that that I've done, and maybe broken things I've found, or colors that are not quite right, or buttons that are not quite right, or something that I'll patch somewhere. Somebody might might message me and say to me, this isn't working, or that's not working correctly, or whatever, or showing correctly, and I'll fix it. So yeah, I just wanted to show off that not only is XFCE fast and stable and pretty nice looking out of the box, it now is really, really stunning with these themes as well. Let's just make that normal size. I think that's normal size, yeah. It's now stunning. It's stunning with themes. Look at all these available themes. I mean, virtually almost any color that you want, you've got here. And then, of course, you've got the different color icon sets. So you can, for example, mix the violet with the purple icon set, So now you've got purple icons over there, you've got the violet over there, and if if you open up here, many of your icons will be violet, there. If you go to file system, there. And you'll be highlighting a sort of a violet purple color as well. You know, so it's nice because we now offer a range of icons, and these we make ourselves, and we also offer the themes to go with it, you know, which is pretty cool because we do that ourselves as well. So any changes we make in the future to these default icon sets, you know, we'll just make the same changes on the themes. So, you know, one complements the other. So that's pretty cool. You look there, the deep blue there, and the sort of deep blue over there. And yeah, it's pretty cool. And you've got the cayenne there, which is the light blue over there. You've got the bright blue over here. So as you can see, mix and match. Got blue themes and blue icons. And of course you can go to, let's see, it's blue, brown, gray. There's a gray theme. So we go to the gray icons, and we can go to the gray theme here, either the gray or the black, almost black. See there, the gray probably matches it better. Or you can go to the almost black, which will also sort of match the gray over here. So that's pretty cool. You know, you can really just play with icons and themes and sort of, you know, I don't know what your favorite color is. You might not like the default color. I mean, not everybody's into the smoky sort of color, you know, this beige color. You might like black, or you might like pink, or you might like blue, or you might like green, or you might like lemon or sunshine, yellow. So you can really just theme the system how you want. That's pretty cool. I mean, out of the box, Flash is stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Really stunning and highly configurable. But now, this just throws a whole spanner into that wheel, because now we've themed it as well. And like with so many options, look here. I mean, wow. That just makes it all better. Anyway, so I thought I'd share that with you guys. It's coming out in 3 days' time. You don't want to miss this release. You know, by default, it's always been a very fast distro. It's even faster this year. It's true to its name, Flash. I did a video where I booted this thing in 13 seconds on VMware. It's very stable and it's very bare bone. I mean, there's not a lot installed. A lot of the size of the ISO is due to themes and icon sets and drivers, and, you know, background drivers and stuff. A lot of packages from us and so forth, just to, you know, make it what it is. But there's barely no software installed on this. It's bare bone. Once you actually run the system and to install it, you know, you can choose your environment that you want to install it, or keep it bare bone, or you can, you know, choose what you want installed. So that's pretty cool. But I do want to tell you that these themes make a difference. I mean, wow. Do you know how difficult it is to find good themes these days? There's such a small selection available because, you know, GNOME has gone and screwed up everything with GTK, with a new GTK 3.2 and up. They've broken so many themes. You've got gnomelook.org, one of the theme sites, that's got thousands and thousands of useless broken themes that cannot be used now, unless you're running a very old distro. So you've only got a handful of themes that really just get remade every day. Certainly, I've barely seen any purple, red, green, lime color, yellow sunshine color, violet, slimy lime color. Look at these colors. You just don't find these anywhere. But we do have them. So, anyway, bright blue, I mean, look at that. Brown bear, look at that. How awesome is this? Dirty purple, deep blue, emerald green. Wow, it's really nice. Anyway, so this will be available in 3 days' time, the 18th. We're launching this. And yeah, make sure you download it, grab it. By the way, that's something else I want to show. If I change that to, let's say, pink bloom, you see there that even when I pull selection over the desktop, it actually highlights like a pink bloom. Wow, that's just awesome. Green grass, the same thing. It will sort of make like a transparent green overlay. The same with lemonade and orange. Look at that. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Deep blue. Brown bear. Wow. I tell you, you guys are going to have so much fun with these themes, you know. I mean, you don't even have to stick to one. Just change it every now and then. Feel like blue today, feel like green tomorrow, feel like bloody red the day after. You know, you can change according to your mood as well. Anyway, this is Jacques from MakuluLinux. I'm just showing off quickly the themes that are, well, that come pre-installed with Flash. I'll probably expand on these over time, but for now there's a nice selection here. A really, really nice selection that cover a variety of colors. Most of the rainbow, pretty much all of the rainbow almost, I think. And so yeah, hope you guys try this. It's well worth the download. Chat to you guys again. Bye.